Snow had been falling for 3 days straight, coating the roofs of Shale Creek Village in a silence so thick it felt unnatural. By day, the world seemed harmless, children played in the snow, smoke curled lazily from chimneys, and villagers greeted each other with the same weary warmth. But at night, everything changed. It always began the same way. Just after midnight, when the wind died and the moon lit the snow like silver, a single wolf howl would drift in from the forest. It was long, mournful, and far too close to the edge of the village. Then, without warning, other voices would join in, dozens of them, rising in a wild, chaotic chorus that made the hair on your neck stand up. No one ever saw the wolves. Some swore they had glimpsed their glowing eyes through the frost-laced windows. Others claimed to hear footsteps, human footsteps, accompanying the howls, crunching slowly through the snow outside their doors. The old hunter, James, once swore he fired into the dark where he heard the sound, but when morning came, there were no tracks in the snow at all. By dawn, the world would return to normal. Not a paw print, not a drop of blood, not even a shadow left behind. Just the endless white and the feeling that the night had stolen something from the village, though no one could say exactly what. And so it continued, winter after winter. Some villagers whispered that the howls were the voices of those who had died in the great blizzard 50 years ago, still searching for a way home. Others believed the wolves were not animals at all. But no one ever found the truth. And perhaps, in Shale Creek, no one really wanted to.